In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos on Wix using the Wix Video Maker. Whether you're showcasing your latest project or creating engaging content for your site, uploading videos can enhance your online presence significantly. Let's dive into the steps to get your videos live on your Wix site with ease. First, begin by navigating to the Wix website setup. If you're already familiar with the platform, this might be a breeze. Simply head over to the Wix homepage and ensure you've logged into your account. From there, proceed to the My Sites section. This section is your central hub for managing all your Wix projects. You'll see a list of your existing sites, each ready for further editing or updating. Choose the site you'd like to work with and click on Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor where all the magic happens. With the editor in front of you, you're now ready to expand your site's capability by adding videos. Look for the option labeled Create Your Own Videos. This feature is particularly useful for giving your site a personal touch, allowing you to craft videos that reflect your unique style and messaging. Once there, click on Video Maker. Wix Video Maker is a handy tool built into the editor that enables you to create, upload, and integrate videos seamlessly. Now, to add new content, click on the plus sign button. This intuitive interface makes it easy to explore and add various elements to your site. Clicking this button will reveal a menu where you can find a wide assortment of media options tailored to enrich your website. From here, you'll want to select Upload Media. This brings you to the point where you can start introducing new video content to your site. Next, you'll see an option to upload directly from your computer. Click Upload from Computer to browse through your files. Choose the video you'd like to add to your site. This option supports multiple video formats, so you shouldn't have any trouble uploading your content. As your video is uploading, make sure your internet connection is stable to prevent any interruptions. Once the upload is complete, your video will be available in the Wix Media Manager. From here, you can drag it onto your desired page, customize its settings, and make any necessary adjustments to ensure it fits seamlessly within your site's layout. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to uploading videos on Wix using the Wix Video Maker. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your site's visual appeal and engage your audience in a dynamic way. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need and experiment with different types of videos to see what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy video making on Wix.